According to Investopedia, passive income is money that's earned from an enterprise that has little or no ongoing effort involved. Why should you want to replace your paycheck income with passive income? Simply put, when you have enough passive income coming in consistently, month after month, to pay your bills, it allows you the option to effectively retire. It doesn't take age to retire. What if you can do this when you're in your 40s or 50s or younger? Most people choose to retire at 62, 67, or 70 because that's when they are looking to start receiving Social Security or maybe a pension, which will give them a consistent, reliable, sustainable income for the rest of their life. But what if Social Security and your pension are not enough? Let's take a look at the 4 primary ways that most people produce income in general. 2 of them, the employee and the self-employed, require you to be on the job working, trading time for money. Meaning if you're not there, you don't get paid. And there is definitely significant effort involved to earn money. And if you never move out of these 2 quadrants, you'll never retire. Can you see that? Can you see how it's virtually impossible to remain in the employee or self-employed quadrants and retire? Because they both require you to be on the job working. If you really want to retire, and I know you do, then you absolutely have to figure out a way to move out of the left side of the cash flow quadrant into the right side as a business owner or entrepreneur and ultimately as an investor. And if you're like most people, you're on the traditional road to retirement. So the key is finding a way to develop assets to ultimately generate passive income for you. Have you ever thought about starting your own business? Being your own boss?